Hey everybody, welcome back. It's got Ruthie back out here. Day after the catastrophe. And I stayed up till almost midnight last night getting her exhaust put back together again like Humpty Dumpty. And it actually turned out pretty darn good considering that they was completely all four pieces were broken. The engine bottom half of the flywheel shield deal was broken off, but that's okay because the engine should glue back together pretty easily. The back axle part of the chassis has come loose, but other than that I think we're able to get this thing back together. Not put a lot more work on us. I mean, it was a couple hours I sat and messed with those pipes, but it's okay. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna finish this on this video. Ready? All right. Okay, so successfully got the engine back and the headers on it. Seems like the angle of the headers is a little different now, but at least the angle is even from both sides. Turn it sideways. And it looks really good. If some of you guys were wondering, the top of the transmission looks funny. It's because instead of trying to reroute all the floor pan and you can't see the top of the transmission, just ground it off. So it's not really going to drive anyway, right, Ruthie? Right, Ruthie? Okay, you put that down. And she's got her pumpkins, working on getting her pumpkins all, well, she's got them all painted. So all of her pumpkins are painted. I think there's a hay bale over there we might be with it. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, okay, it's looking good. I did attempt, did I say this on the video earlier? I don't remember. I did attempt last night to try and make another set of headers, which I miserably failed, but I did attempt it. And then I was like, you know what, let me just try to glue these things back together. But anyway, I'm glad that it's back to where it was pre-catastrophe. So now we're moving forward. Alrighty, so now the body is attached and the back body's on there. It's looking good. Had some issues with the chassis or the fenders being a little warped, so that when you put the actual cab on it wouldn't fit right, so we had to do some mods, to say the least. It's looking good. Almost done with it. So now all that's left is what, Ruthie? Tell us what's left. Tires over there. Radiator and headlights, taillights. So we're almost done. All right, stand by. You gonna say something?
You said you were doing the talking.
All right, well, her pumpkin mobile done, thank goodness, after triumph over tragedy. And she didn't even have no part in that. But it's turned out real nice. So Ruthie, tell us about it. What kind of engines this thing got in it?
All I know is you called it a Hemi.
It's a Hemi. It's a Dodge. Chrysler.
No.
It's a Chrysler Hemi in your Ford truck. Probably a 392 or something like that. I don't remember what it is. But anyway, she just put the pumpkins in the back. Decided not to use the front bumper. Thought that it would have a better look without the front bumper. Although if we decide that it's up here, if we decide to use the bumper, the top is just sitting on it. Top fit's terrible, but it's just sitting on there, so you can take the top off and make, you know, have your convertible pump. I actually think it looks better with the top off, but I think it looks too cool, especially the Hemi. So what's some little things you did to it? She did the...
And we're not done with these.
These will have black wash. Those little steps. We've got them Mod Podging right now, so they're getting they got to set up, and then we'll let her put some black wash. The wheels, I guess you guys saw that the wheels are this chrome on this thing is, what was it called? Spaz sticks. Oh well, here it is. The chrome that she sprayed on it, all the chrome that you see is this Spaz sticks chrome. Works wonderful. I love it. Some good stuff. So the wheels she painted, all the chrome. If you see a piece of chrome except for these little guys, she painted the chrome. So and that's no easy thing to do. But anyway.
Oh wait,
don't you dare break anything on it. She did the she hand painted the Ford on the tailgate. What else did you hand paint?
these.
What are those?
Chain.
The chains.
And the taillight things.
And the taillight things. Got a 4-speed in the floor.
And the pumpkins.
Oh yeah, so and the pumpkins. She's proud of the pumpkins, all different color.
They don't look like the same color on the camera.
Well, they'll
They
have to
look
come
really
to
bright.
JaxCon to see them. The front grill, which was, I wasn't looking forward to helping her do that because it was going to be a pain. The grill fits farther forward than the grill would on the stock truck because obviously there's a big blower belt out in front of the Hemi, and if you'll notice that the front light bar just clears the grill, and on the box truck your grill is set back quite a bit farther. Obviously we're not using the hood and you had much more clearance, but because of that Hemi we had to move the front grill up, so that turned out just perfect. And she did a beautiful job on the plug wires. I think she done better.
I think that was probably my favorite part.
I think she done better than most of you guys, to be honest with you.
No.
I do. I think you did great. And those have the little rubber boots, which is just a piece of we cut a little piece of silicone wire, pulled the wire out and stuck the rubber down in the hole, and then the wires are just stuck down in there. They're not glued in, and it looks like you've got flush mount Hemi. I think it's so proper looking. Those boots looks great. Had a heck of a time getting the wheels and all on it and getting the stance right. It was a little warped, so got that right. I don't know, Ruthie, what else? Oh, in the front of the blower, the red butterflies. I think that's my favorite part of the whole truck. It won't.
It's not focusing.
I know. It's my fault though. They always think it's
There.
my fault. She painted those the butterflies for the injection.
That was hard. I had to keep the silver in the center.
Yeah, and the silver. There you go. Wow. And we used. I say we because I'm handing her the stuff to use, but it's flat red because you know those things wouldn't be real glossy. So I think it looks so dang awesome. And the engine sets in there just with the perfect amount of rear tilt angle. I think it is just like so killer. See if you can get like an over the top view. Look at that. Ain't that the meanest pumpkin mobile you have ever seen? That thing will get the pumpkins to town. So anyway, nice job.
Thank
Nice
you.
job. I'm sure glad you're done with it. I can work on my GTX now. Wow, I think it's turned out beautiful. Can't wait to see it at Acme in proper season with the pumpkins, because February the 11th is probably not pumpkin season at JaxCon, but it's going to be there anyway. Hope you guys can come and see it. She's over here fixing her hair right before I put the camera on us. Where we at? Let's see. There I am. It don't even recognize. Well, let me focus on you. There. Alright, it just went out of focus. Alright, so thank you so much for watching and following along on this triumph over tragedy type of build, and an extended build at that. What did it, I don't know when you started this thing. It's been, I don't know, close 8 months ago or so. It's been a long time, but she doesn't have a lot of time. But we'll get her out here and work on it. And today it is, I can't see it in the camera. I'm literally blind.
You can see it.
Okay, so there it is, and it's all done up. We will black wash the little steps, and that's pretty much it. Load it in something nice and snug and take it down to JaxCon less than 1 week from now. And if it falls off of the table between now and then, I already told her.
We're suing.
So I said we're gonna put it in a box and put it up. It's done. The pumpkin mobile will be done if it gets broken again. That's modeling. I understand it, but did you have fun building this?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Yeah. It can become. Daddy shouldn't have said, "Hey, let's put a Hemi in it," because when I decided to do that for her, well, Matthew, you shouldn't decide what she does. I'm her dad. I have to help her make decisions, and it looks killer. And if it had the old stock engine in it, it would have not been
right.
what you guys are going to die when you see it at JaxCon and Acme. I know you are. It is going to be very popular. Anyway, it's going to be cool sitting on the table. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the things that you do for me and for Ruthie and for Heather. You guys support us in a great way. Thanks for everything that you guys have sent our way. Yeah, so we're done with this thing. Finally. Going to take some pictures of it. And have some pictures here at the end of the video. And any last words? Let me guess. No.
No.
No last words. Alright, where are you going to be next Saturday?
JaxCon?
Say it louder.
JaxCon.
Okay, JaxCon. It's like a secret. JaxCon? Where are we going to be? Anyway, I can't wait to see my friend Jason and Heather. Friends Jason and Heather from up in New Hampshire at JaxCon. And all my other friends. They're going to be there. And we're going to have a good time. And we're all going to admire the Pumpkin Mobile. Alright guys, we're done. Talk to you later. Check out Hobby Nut Models Facebook group, Spring Store, and the Patreon group if you're interested. And her channel, Simply Ruth. Go check it out too if you haven't already. Many of you have, but if you haven't, go check it out. And we'll see you in a few days. Alright? Alright, bye.
It's not focusing.
It's not focusing. I was gonna end it out like, you know, music playing and all it zooms to the truck, but oh, she's tapping the screen trying to get it. Oh well. Alright, now we're gone. Blurry as can be. Hold on, wait. Okay. See ya. Bye.